Hi Skin Divas, it's Nancy, the Ageless Skin Coach, and I am back for more on rosacea. And there are a lot of things that can help rosacea skins and help the triggers, but there is one ingredient that is a superhero ingredient that can really help alleviate a lot of the triggers and the symptoms for rosacea. And that one ingredient is niacinamide, which is also known as B3. And the real benefits of niacinamide for rosacea skins is, number one, it's super anti-inflammatory. So it's going to help calm the skin down tremendously. So the second thing is niacinamide really helps to strengthen the skin and the resilience of the skin. So when you're looking at the skin and how the skin functions, you really want to make sure that because rosacea skin is compromised, you have to make sure that the skin health of rosacea skin starts to rebuild itself. And niacinamide, because it is a cell rebuilder, it helps to rebuild the cells. It's very wonderful for rosacea. The third thing and reason why niacinamide is so good for rosacea is because it helps the ceramides start to produce again. Ceramides is kind of like a lubricant for the cells and helps to plump the cells and attract moisture to the skin. Niacinamide is a wonderful, helpful superhero ingredient for rosacea skins and also for sensitive skin.